Hi guys and welcome back to another video of the Funway channel. My name is Shoy Kalkar and today we'll be learning about loops in Python. So what is a loop? So a loop is in Python is like suppose you are trying to order some bread and you've got a robot and you're gonna say go 10 go move 10 steps every single time. That like increases the lines of code you want to write. So instead of doing that, you can just simply put in a for or while loop and say that while this is not achieved, then this guy will keep moving forward, or for this in the whatever a list of this, it'll go forward or anything like that. So there are different types of loops in Python. So we can have the while loop, the for loop, as I said before, the nested loops, which is like, how am I gonna say this? So you got a while loop and you can have a for loop inside the while loop, or you can have a for loop, you can have a while loop inside the for loop, or you can have a while loop and a while loop and a while loop. You can get as nested as it can. And the loop control statements are another type of loops. So today we'll be learning about while loops and for loops. So what are while loops? So while loops is used to repeat a section of code that we don't know. So suppose we want to find out something, right? You want to find out. I'll show you an example as well, but it tells us like, do we know how many numbers from there are from some number to another number? We obviously won't know ourselves. Then we will use this while loop because it will do it until it completes the initial statement. If it is not complete, it'll keep on repeating and repeating. The for loops is actually we know how many times it's going to repeat. Suppose we're going to say that we look from one number, so check every grade of the student in the class, we look from one to that number, so that we know how many times we're going to loop it. That's why we use the for loop. If we didn't know beforehand, before doing the code, we were going to use a while loop. So how to define a while and for loop? So for the while loop, we're going to say while n is greater than this, then so what it'll be like x is equal to 1, and then you say while x is greater than 9 is not greater than 9, or smaller is x is smaller than 9, then print x, and then x is equal to x plus 1. And for the for, you say for x in colors and then print x. So let me now show you in my code. So go to Replit, here we are. I'm going to create a Replit and put as Python and put it as loops. And first I'm going to go through the for loop, no, the while loop. And first is the while loop. So for the while loop, I'm going to go and say that I'm going to create a variable called x. So I'm going to say x is equal to 100. Now while x is bigger than 0, we will say print x, obviously, which we want to do, and I'm going to say x minus equal by 1. So it'll print the number and we'll get 100 to look 100. And so first what happens is that x is equal to 100. So while x is greater than 0, which is true, like while the x is greater than true, it'll print this x, so we get 100 first, and then we're minusing the total value of x. This is what this also means. You can also say x is equal to x minus 1. Both is the same way, right? We'll get the same answer. See here, this is the while shape. You could also just say it's the other way around. We could do this in here, put this as 0, put this as 100, 1000, miles a mile, and we'll get it into a minus number. And if I go down, we'll be quick creating when it does plus. Stopping, come on, don't take all day. It wouldn't stop otherwise. Yeah, this is the code. If I go it again, we go up to 1000. Here we are, 1000. So let me show the for loop. For the for loop, I'm going to create a list called cars. Cars is equal to this. First will be BM, yes, BMW. Second could be Audi. Third could be, wait, that's one thing you know. So got this here, this here. Another could be, let's say A, some random thing. Another could be Y, anything. Okay. So now we'll say for, we can now for here this X we can change as anything, but I'm not gonna put it. I'm gonna put it as I in cars. Print this I. Yeah. Wait. So what's happening is that this I will loop through every index or every index of this color, loop through it and then print it out. What I can also do is that change this to a single letter. So I can just put as a string saying that red, and I should get red. Here we are. So this is an easy way to use loops in your Python code. And yeah, so I'll see you next time. Bye.